Hello everyone. In this video, I am sharing how to write small cursive writing. Step by step, I will tell you. Okay. So first make practice of this sign. Look at here. Like this sign. All little like slanting line. Slanting line. Okay, at slanting line. First make practice. It's very important for small cursive writing because all letters of small cursive writing will be started from third line and finish at second line. Here started from this and finish at second line. So first I am telling you how to write A. Look here, this sign. Okay, now and come. Okay, now here go up and like this, and fourth one is go up, come down and A. So in this way you will write cursive A. Now B, same way, slanting, go up, come down, here like this, and last is this B. Okay, now same C, here slant, come, here this, and fourth is come back and touch the blue line C. Okay, now D, same way, step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4, come, go up and touch the blue line D. Okay, E, same manner like this, here turn like this, here turn curve here, and fourth is slant, come down and touch the blue line E. Now F. F in first 3 lines. Okay, go up, here turn this. Okay, here now come and this come here. Okay, now last step is come, go up, here take round and touch the blue line F. Okay, G, same manner, G. Okay, come like C, here come and go up and thus. Now last, how to make G, come and touch the blue line H. H in first 3 lines, slanting, come, okay, here and try go up line, here last is H. Okay, I, same manner, slant and same line you come, here go, same line you come back and I. Okay, I. Next is J. Okay, slant, same manner, straight line, and again this is your turn. Okay, here J, touch the blue line J. Okay, K, slant, slant and turn. How to turn this? Like this. Okay, here slant, turn, and again come back on this. Okay, here K, and round and touch the blue line. Okay, L, same. L is very easy. Slant, again slant and take turn. How to take turn? Here like this, and L. Okay, so you notice that in small cursive writing, every letter start from third line, three line, 1, 2, 3. Here look at here, starting from 3 line and finish with second line. Because when you start joining letter, you start same manner, because you will write letter and start from here second line again next letter. Okay, in this way you will learn small cursive writing. A to L, M to Z I will share in next video. Thank you. Please like the video and subscribe this channel. Thank you.